Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize Brave browser to reduce CPU and memory usage. The first thing you can try is to remove unwanted extensions. Just go on those top 3 lines and then go under extensions. Manage extensions. Here, you can remove certain extensions that are needed. They can take up unnecessary memory. Once after you do that, the next thing you can try is to go on the top 3 lines again, then go where it says delete browsing data. When you go here, you can then select what to delete so you can free up some of the memory usage on the Brave browser. Just delete, so you can choose the timeline, 24 hours, or maybe you can say all time, and then you can delete from this device. And another thing you can try is to go on the top 3 lines, then go under settings, and go under system. Under system, you can disable these 2 options. The first one, continue running background apps when Brave is closed, disable this. Use graphics acceleration when available, disable this. And lastly, scroll down, go under memory and activate memory saver. And you're done.